Okay, so let me just share with you the another thing that I use it for. I mean, it's not a fun just for fun. This is also helpful for other things. But there's this, if I go to again AI Studio or Google.com, you go to stream real time, right? Like let's go back and let's do this. And then yeah, this is a very good feature, actually very powerful. I think this also shows you the future of AI in terms of agentic behavior and customer service and acts, things like that. Like for instance, now you can say to Gemini. So this is, it's up to 10 minutes, and you can say things like, "Hey Gemini, do you hear me?"
This is a recording that can be up to 10 minutes long, and you can say things like, "Hey Gemini, do you hear me? Is there anything you would like me to do with this information?"
Yeah, I'm just teaching a course and I'm just talking to the students, showing them also how I use Gemini for doing this. Let me just share my screen actually.
Okay, you are teaching a course and showing students how you use Gemini. You are also about to share your screen, is that correct?
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm sharing my screen, and what do you see?
Okay, you're sharing your screen. I see the Google AI Studio interface
Yeah,
with a
okay,
stream real.
perfect. Let me go to this website here. What do you see now?
Okay, now you are on a website called Kiran Garamella with a publications tab.
Yeah,
There is a list of publications under review.
yeah. Do you have any comments on, as I scroll through, do you have any comments on how I'm doing in terms of publications?
I see that you have publications listed under review and also publications from 2025, 2024, and 2023.
Yeah.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, just tell me how I'm doing.
Okay, I see a list of your publications from 2023 to 2025. It seems like you are actively publishing research. Is there a specific area or publication you'd like me to comment on?
In general, like, if I have so many publications under review and one in 2025 and five in 2024, what do you think?
In general, it looks like you have a very active research profile with multiple publications across different years.
So
Having a
what am I typically publishing on?
Based on what I see on the screen, your publications cover topics such as WhatsApp, social media, misinformation, and political content. Would you like to go into more details about a specific topic?
No, yeah, let me now just get some help with some problems that I'm having with coding. Can you help me with that?
Okay, it looks like you're having some coding issues. I see a list of files with names ending in PY. Can you
Yeah,
tell me more about the?
yeah. So I'm trying to run this file, and when I run this, I get an error. Do you know why? So let me check. So I'm trying to run this, and I get this error. Like, why do I get this?
Okay, I see. The error message at the bottom says file not found error. Error note 2. No such file or directory. Slash users slash
Yeah, okay.
Garavella.
Don't read the entire thing. Like, tell me what it is about.
Okay, it looks like the script is trying to open a file called mail2.mbox in your download slash takeout slash mail slash directory, but that file doesn't exist or the path is incorrect.
Okay, how do I fix that?
You would need to either ensure the file mail2 box exists in the specified path or update the code with the correct path to the file.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's good. So, yeah, okay, then thanks a lot. I'll just stop the sharing here.
Okay, sounds good.
Bye.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Okay, so as you can see, that was quite good, right? Like, I mean, I again like mostly went through trivial tasks here, but you could potentially have like other things. Like you can, for instance, I mean, one of the things I'm really looking forward to doing this is with my mom or any of those, like, okay, I can just give her this and she can just ask Gemini and say, okay, instead of me going to tell her, hey, click on this or do this, any troubleshooting on the computer, she can just do by herself. Like, I can also ask things like, okay, I get these annoying things here. How do I get rid of those? All of these kinds of things. It'll really help. Like, so mostly for digital kind of tasks, like I think it's a very good companion. Another thing also is with ChatGPT. And Gemini also has, as you can see, it can understand voice, it can give you back voice. And ChatGPT also has a very good voice mode, which is like really really good. Like, so it's called advanced voice mode. I'm trying to open it right now. Let me just hey, just give me a sec, okay? I think this thing is connected to the earphones. Let me just remove that. Second. Okay. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. What's up?
Perfect. Okay. So, yeah, I'm presenting something to my students, and I just want to show you how you can work and what you can do, the kinds of things you can do.
Great. I'd love to see what you've got. Are you looking for any specific feedback?
Yeah, yeah. So maybe one thing that I've been wondering recently is about whether AI will take my job. So I'm a professor at a university, and I recently read a paper about how AI is now writing scientific papers. What do you think about the future of my job?
That's a valid concern, especially with AI advancing so quickly. But AI is a tool that can assist with tasks, not replace the human touch. Your unique insights, mentorship, and ability to guide students are irreplaceable. Plus, you'll
Hey,
likely
hey,
find
it's okay. It's okay. I mean, you don't need to be too supportive all the time. Just be realistic. What do you think, just realistically speaking, is I mean, I need this honest opinion because I want to train myself and like, prepare accordingly.
Got it. Realistically, AI will change aspects of academia, but it won't replace professors. It can handle repetitive tasks like data analysis or literature reviews, freeing you up for critical thinking, mentoring, and complex problem solving. Staying adaptable and integrating AI into your work will keep you ahead of the curve.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Okay,
You're
yes.
welcome.
So
Anytime you want to chat about this or anything else, I'm here.
yeah. Okay, to you, the students. Yeah, as you can see, like, I mean, this is quite good, right? Like, it's very helpful as, again, a thing that I can talk to and get support from, help from. I mean, it's not like a supportive thing, like you saw, like, okay, if I wanted to know about AI taking my job, it would try to, I mean, usually the character is like very supportive and things like that. But you could also say, okay, play a role of a very devil's advocate and try to think about this. And so instead of typing, you could also just chat, and it works quite well. Another thing that I really enjoy quite a bit is in terms of using the camera. So I'll just do that now. Just give me a second. I'll just join the Zoom and share the screen to show you how I use that feature. But let me just stop this, okay, and then I'll share my screen. Okay. I'm in a different link actually. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Let me just give me 1 second. How do I those tools? Mm, meeting, sorry about that. Um, okay, so I'm joining that meeting.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Come on. Oh man. So in that case, yes. Okay. So I think it's, yeah. Okay.
Okay,
This
this
should
should
be
be
fine.
fine.
I
I
think
think
at
at
least.
least somewhat.
So
So
let's try to do this. So I'll share my screen. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen on my phone. Okay, so now one thing I can do is I'll just go back to ChatGPT. Okay, so you can do this advanced voice mode again. So what I wanted to show, I showed you the voice mode. I can also show you the video mode. So one thing I can do is I can say, okay, hey, what do you see now? I'm not sure what's happening, but one thing I use it for is, and I don't know why this is. There's something wrong. But anyway, basically, the way I use it is, oops. Okay, the way I use it is for uh, uh, I can just point my camera to something. So, right, like I can switch on my camera and then point it to something and then ask it, like, okay, so for instance, okay, I can maybe type it out. So here I have this error, right, on my other phone. So I can ask it, okay, okay, maybe now it's not working, but yeah. Anyway, so you could ask for this, okay, what is that error? I'll tell you what that error is. Like, for instance, that's another task that I use it for quite a bit. So yeah, let me just stop that sharing here. I'll just get out of here. Yeah, and yeah, that's for instance some examples of how I use ChatGPT and these other apps, and that's it for this video. And yeah, thanks a lot.